Hello everyone, my name is Mitesh Sanjay Uttekar and today I am excited to present my internship project report titled Microcontroller Based Washing Machine Simulation using PicSimLab, which I completed at Emertix during the May-June 2025 term. This project was a fantastic opportunity to gain hands-on experience in embedded system by simulating a real-world appliance, a washing machine using microcontroller based logic. At Imertix, I worked as an embedded system programmer. My key focus areas included writing embedded C code, working with PIC microcontrollers, and simulating hardware behavior in a virtual environment. So, here what I gained during the internship: advanced C programming for structured and pointer based logic, microcontroller theory to understand how embedded systems worked on the PIC 16 F877A board for simulation and testing, learned peripheral interfacing like switches, buzzer, and LEDs. The core objective was to simulate a washing machine using PicSimLab and the PIC 16 F877A board. So we designed 12 washing programs navigated using a switch 4, water level settings like auto, low and high, dynamic timer based on the selected program and water level. Once started with switch 5, the machine simulates a fan rotation to represent washing in a progress, a countdown timer, and control function like pause with switch 6, resume with switch 5, and door open warning with switch 1 triggering a buzzer. After washing, buzzer notifies completion and machine resets the main screen. So for this simulation, I use PicSimLab for virtual simulation, MPLab and IDE for writing and compiling embedded C code, the PIC 16 F877A board as a main controller, and digital components like LEDs, buzzer, and switches. So this project helped me grow technically and professionally. I developed skills in embedded C, understood microcontroller based control systems, gained experience in real world simulation, designed user driven interfaces using switches, managed timing, states and control logic, strengthened debugging and problem solving, followed a complete project development cycle, deepened my grasp of automation system, and worked closely with a mentor which boosted my learning curve. So, to sum up, this project strengthened my foundation in embedded system and automation. I got hands-on exposure to embedded C real-time simulation and appliance logic. It was a great learning experience and I am confident it will help in my future embedded development work. Thank you for your attention and let's move into our demo video. So hello everyone, this is PicSimLab Simulator and this is board which is selected is PIC Genius and microcontrollers is selected is PIC 16F877A. So there are many components like digital screen and I have loaded hex file from file load hex option. This screen is presenting press key 5 to power on washing machine. For now you have to follow my cursor. I will show the switches. This is switch 1, this is switch 2, switch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's press power 5. This screen is showing powering on washing machine. Let's wait to power on. So this is screen of washing machine programs. That there are total 12 programs. We can travel from switch 4. If we press the switch 4, it will show the next menu: heavy, delicates, whites, stain wash, eco cottons, woolens, bed sheets, rinse plus dry, dry only, wash only, aqua store. So there are total 12 functions, and each functions have different working time and program. So if we want to select some program, we have to press and hold switch 4 to select that particular program. So let's done it. I have selected heavy for now. So this is water level screen. There are total 5 programs which are auto, low, medium, and let's travel with switch 4 again. Low, medium, high, max, auto. So let's some select medium. I want to select medium. For selecting, we have to again press and hold switch 4. So this is press switch 5 to start and switch 6 to stop. So let's start the washing machine with switch 5. As you can see, program is selected heavy and time is 50 seconds, and fan is starting moving, which indicates the washing machine is working, and timer is also start to decreasing. If you want to pause, we can just hit the switch 6. Let's hit the switch. You can see fan and time both are stopped, indicating that washing machine is on pause condition. Let's resume it with switch 5. So there is a switch case which is switch 1. If we press and hold that switch, the washing machine door are opened and buzzer will trigger to indicate that your door are open. If we release the switch, washing machine is resumed with its time. Let's wait for this time to complete. A long buzzer triggered which indicate that washing machine has done with its work, and we redirect it to the washing program screen. If we want to repeat any program or select any other program, so let's try another program. We will select whites. Yes, we can select whites. Again press and hold to select that menu. We will go with high. Or max, we will go with a max. Okay, let's go. So max and whites are selected, so let's start the timer. There are multiple timers for each and every functions, like whites and max has 1 minute and 12 second timing for working phase. So let's wait for some time to complete the execution. I will forward this video. So we have completed our implementation with Pixim Lab washing machine virtual simulation. Thank you.